Hi there, I'm Sans. And today I'm gonna be doing Next Life. Let's go. I'm not joined by Papyrus because he's trying to convince Undying to give him a date. To do some dating. I know, it's weird. But don't post some inappropriate video. I'm gonna shout out to Alexander Owens and Michael Owens. They're good YouTubers. You should subscribe to them. And like their videos. They're very good. Oh, someone's already on the move. Well, I guess I'll have to talk later. But now I need to focus. I want to do something, but I can't do it. What is it, Sans? Oh, never mind. You will not get it. It's for recording. Oh, why is that mic thing? Oh, I think it's for muting. Oh, okay. Oh, we're doing it. Oh, I see him. Wait, hello? He left me. Boo! Let me play a sad song for you on the world's smallest violin. Boy? Oh. Oh, so saw that. Huh? Well, hello there. He's back there. Nope, that's just her. Moving some. Oh, she's on the move. I can open that door. And on your left. That's no good. That's no good. That's no good. Sonic, stop. LOL. Oh, that's my phone. Oh, sorry. Oh, that's probably... No? She's there. Oh, that's only fake. I don't mean that's faking. To be herself. Poof! Poof! Is Anya a ninja or something? Or Naruto? That's a question that no one barely... Good. That guy's gone. 2 people are gone. And I'm doing terrible on power. Yep. That's good. Oh my god, Daniel's on. Did he sniff some cocaine? Nice. That's real. That's fake. Got it right time too. Are you serious, bro? You know we. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. Oh god. It's also a little sponge. Leave. I gotta go on. Oh, we shock him. We might actually defeat Knight 5 easily. Oh, that onion. Probably Daniel's there. I was correct. Oh, thank god, I don't have to waste more. Oh. Enough.